Understanding heart races, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, heart races. This is a common idiom in English, and understanding it will help you in both speaking and interpreting the language more effectively. Let's dive in. The phrase, heart races, is an idiom that describes a feeling of extreme excitement or nervousness. When someone says their heart races, it means their heart is beating faster than usual because of strong emotions. This idiom is often used to describe situations where one is thrilled, anxious, or even scared. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. My heart races every time I'm about to give a speech. Here, it implies nervousness or anxiety. 2. Her heart races whenever she sees her favorite celebrity. This suggests excitement or admiration. 3. His heart races during scary movies. This indicates fear or suspense. Now, let's talk about how you can use heart races in your daily conversations. To express excitement, I can't wait for the concert. My heart races just thinking about it. When feeling anxious, my heart races every time I have to make an important decision. To describe fear, every time I hear strange noises at night, my heart races. English is rich in idioms that express similar feelings. Here are a few. Butterflies in my stomach, used to describe nervousness. On the edge of my seat, indicates being very excited or anxious. A rush of adrenaline, describes a sudden burst of energy due to excitement or stress. Understanding idioms like heart races can really enrich your English language skills. It's fascinating how such phrases can vividly express emotions and states of mind. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to master English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to have fun with the language. See you in the next video.